Everything is here, right?
Yeah.
From here, it's gonna appear right here. Look, look. Put a napkin there. I want everybody to make this trick. Ready?
Yep.
And we say, no, not that. No, not like that. And we say, uno, dos, and
Tres. And we break.
only. I'm gonna robar mis chips. Okay, sorry. Only mix it here and eat it. But we will continue in a minute. Amigos, the napkin on the bottle is too. Sometimes the cilantro have a little water on it, and the tomato, and the onion, and the avocado. Now, where's my cuchara? Right here. And amigos, the bowl, the avocado, and we're gonna get all of it. Everything.
Central
And enjoy it.
and enjoy.